The world of investments is ever evolving. Traditional assets are being challenged by new contenders. Real estate, once a cornerstone of investment portfolios, is facing headwinds. Meanwhile, Bitcoin, the digital gold, is experiencing a surge in popularity. This essay will explore the reasons behind this shift and compare these two asset classes. We will delve into the current state of the U.S. housing market and the factors driving Bitcoin's price appreciation. Finally, we will examine the generational shift in investment preferences and the potential of Bitcoin as a store of value. Many factors contribute to this changing dynamic. The U.S. housing market is grappling with high mortgage rates and inflated prices. This has made homeownership increasingly difficult, especially for first-time buyers. On the other hand, Bitcoin's limited supply and growing institutional adoption are driving its value proposition. This is particularly appealing to younger generations who are digitally native and comfortable with the volatility of the crypto market. The U.S. housing market is showing signs of strain. Home sales are slowing down, and prices are beginning to stagnate. This is largely due to the rapid increase in mortgage rates, making it more expensive to finance a home purchase. The average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is currently at a 20-year high, putting pressure on affordability. Potential homebuyers are hesitant to commit to such high monthly payments, especially in the face of economic uncertainty. Adding to the woes of the housing market is the issue of affordability. Home prices have been on an upward trajectory for years, fueled by low interest rates and strong demand. However, with wages failing to keep pace, many potential homebuyers are priced out of the market. The dream of homeownership is becoming increasingly elusive for a significant portion of the population. In contrast to the housing market struggles, Bitcoin is experiencing a remarkable surge in value. The world's leading cryptocurrency has seen its price soar in recent months, driven by a confluence of factors. Institutional adoption is playing a significant role, with major financial institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity investing heavily in Bitcoin. This influx of institutional money is lending legitimacy to the cryptocurrency market and attracting more investors. Another factor driving Bitcoin's rise is the launch of Bitcoin ETFs. These exchange-traded funds allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning the underlying asset. This has made it easier for both retail and institutional investors to add Bitcoin to their portfolios. The increased demand from ETFs is putting upward pressure on Bitcoin's price. The contrast between the housing market and Bitcoin is particularly stark when viewed through a generational lens. Millennials and Gen Z, saddled with student loan debt and facing a challenging economic landscape, are finding it increasingly difficult to enter the traditional housing market. They are turning to Bitcoin as a more accessible and potentially more lucrative investment opportunity. This demographic is comfortable with digital assets and embraces the decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies. Moreover, millennials and Gen Z are drawn to Bitcoin's potential as a hedge against inflation. They have witnessed firsthand the erosion of purchasing power caused by inflationary pressures. Bitcoin, with its fixed supply of 21 million coins, is seen as a potential safeguard against inflation. This is in stark contrast to fiat currencies, which are subject to devaluation by central banks. Bitcoin, with its decentralized and transparent nature, offers a compelling alternative to traditional assets like real estate. While real estate remains a significant investment class, its illiquidity and susceptibility to market fluctuations are becoming increasingly apparent. As younger generations reshape the investment landscape, Bitcoin is well positioned to capture a growing share of the market. The future of finance is being written in code, and Bitcoin is at the forefront of this revolution.